but it looks to me that the Australian dollar has broken through the 70 to 75 cent range. It looks like it wants to push further. I think we will see it test 80 US cents, and if the GDP numbers come out for the last quarter, because keep in mind the previous numbers in Australia were negative, so everybody was talking about a recession. Oh no, will we fall into a recession? I think that'll be absolutely smashed out of the park, and when that happens in the next couple of months, I think you will see momentum in the Aussie dollar, and that will be because the market's pricing interest rates to start rising.
And of course, the other critical side of the interest rate ledger is property, isn't it?
Yeah, there's some property benefits, other property doesn't. And I think that's very, very important. And that's why I really want to make the message for people watching that what's happening in the US is very significant. You can't just ignore the economic side, because when rates do rise, there will be winners and losers. The investment side of the ledger that can price in higher rents, because when interest rates rise, it's because you have inflation. So if your rents are going up more than your repayments, you're actually benefiting. But if you're an owner-occupier and you've taken a huge amount of debt and you can't offset that by wages growth, then you have a problem there. So that will be revealed, and there'll be, parts that benefit and other parts, unfortunately, that don't.
All right. Well, it's interesting, Peter, because our previous guest from last week was forecasting that next move by the Reserve Bank would in fact be down. So, I mean, there's certainly not conformity among those people out there, including yourself.
I think, in fairness to your guest, between your guest expressing those views and me expressing these views, there's been a very strong trade number come out during the week.
Fair enough.
And that's very, very significant. So in fairness to your guest, I think your guest might reevaluate those assumptions given that number.
Peter Esho, thanks very much.
Thanks for having me. Thank you.